Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting your data. Backup biometric templates and a full device backup so you can restore if needed. Power down, remove any case or screen protector, and clean the sensor area with 70% isopropyl. This prevents false failures. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to flash or inspect logs. This gives you the access to run diagnostic tools. Make sure battery is above 50% so the process won't interrupt. You now diagnose. Open settings and run the manufacturer diagnostic to see error codes, then collect logs via ADB to identify whether software or hardware is at fault. If software, reflash the sensor firmware or the fingerprint HAL module carefully. Follow exact OEM files and check some verification to avoid bricking. If logs show hardware faults or intermittent connection, power off and reseat the sensor's flex cable, or swap in a known good sensor assembly. You finish by re-registering fingerprints after any firmware flash or hardware replacement. Enroll multiple angles and presses so the sensor builds a robust template, and make sure your fingers are dry and clean. Once done, test unlocks repeatedly and monitor for drift. If readings remain unreliable, capture boot and system logs to pinpoint ongoing errors. If you still see failures, contact OEM support with logs and steps taken. This speeds warranty service or authorized repair and avoids repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.